Subject irrigation engineering, chapter irrigation efficiencies, topic water use efficiency. Now let us come to the third type of efficiency known as the water use efficiency. Now let me give you an example, or let me make you understand. Let's say this was the ground level, right? This is our crop. This crop, it can be wheat or maize or whatever, right? Crop, okay? Now whatever the water has been supplied to the plant, right? Whatever the water has been supplied to the plant, let us say it is V1, right? Okay. Now this is the root zone. So water has been stored by the root zone, right? Now some water will be used by the plant for its growth, right? Okay. So the maximum water, whatever the water the plant absorbs from soil for its growth, what will happen? It will reduce the, you can say, the water level. Let us say that V1 was applied, so some water will be used by the plant. Now this water use efficiency comes from that concept only. So water use efficiency, so you can say that this is very important, right? Water use efficiency, because I will be telling you one thing about the water use efficiency. The water use efficiency, now you can say that neta or eta u is actually equal to the water used by the plants effectively. Effectively means it is also known as you can say effectively is also known as, you can say, the maximum water that can be used, right? So consumptively also it is used, also known as consumptively, right? So water, let me write it here, water or volume of water used by plants or crops, let me write crops because we are discussing irrigation, crops effectively or consumptively, this is another word, consumptively, right? Because sometimes students get confused in examination. Consumptively. Now what is consumptive use? The water required by the water taken by plants for the maximum growth, right? The amount of water taken by the plant for maximum growth is the consumptive water, right? Divided by the volume of water transferred into the field. The volume of water transferred to the field, which we were already discussing, right? So you don't have to get the divided with the root zone, you can say, water content, right? So whatever the water was coming to the field, so we have to divide it with that, right? Okay. So water received by the field. If you want to calculate it in percent, then multiply it with 100 also, right? So that is the water use efficiency. Now sometimes in GATE examination and some of the other examinations also, sometimes it is mentioned, the leaching water is also mentioned sometimes, right? Now sometimes, now if note, if leaching water is also mentioned, leaching water is also mentioned. Now what is this leaching water? In subsequent chapters I will be explaining you in detail that what is leaching. So leaching is basically, you can say, a method of reclamation of soil. I told you that if you do irrigation extensively, the soil pores, they can get choked, right? The soil can become infertile. So to overcome all these drawbacks of irrigation, now there is one method known as the leaching. So what is leaching? We will be discussing, okay? Now if leaching water is also mentioned in question, then this water used by the crops effectively or consumptively, you have to add the leaching water also, right? Then add leaching water in numerator. Now your total water will become, this numerator, then it will become water used by crops effectively plus the leaching water. So we have to add both the waters, right? So plus leaching water also. This is the important thing which I wanted to convey to you. That if in question leaching water is given, so you have to add leaching water to this. So numerator, you will get the correct answer. Clear? Okay. So I hope that you have understood the water use efficiency also. Now it's time to solve a numerical based on the water use efficiency. Thank you.